In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search in Trello so you can quickly find boards, cards, and important information without wasting time scrolling. Whether you're managing multiple projects, working with a remote team, or organizing content like YouTube planning or SEO tasks, knowing how to use Trello search features properly can save you a huge amount of time. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you how to use advanced search for more control. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Trello and go to your boards page. Once you're inside Trello, look at the top of the window. You'll see the main search bar. This is the quickest way to search for anything inside your Trello workspace. You can type the name of a board, a card title, or even keywords related to the content inside your cards. As you type, Trello will instantly start showing matching results. This includes boards and cards that match your search term. For example, if you type a keyword like agenda or highlight, Trello will display cards that contain that word in their title. If card descriptions are included in the results, you'll also see matches from inside the description text. This is extremely useful when you don't remember the exact card name, but remember a word written inside it. Now, if you want more control over your search, click directly into the search bar and then select Advanced Search from the drop-down menu. This opens a more powerful search panel where you can filter and sort your results in more detail. Inside Advanced Search, you can sort card results by last updated. This helps you quickly find the most recently changed cards. You can also filter cards by when they were last updated, such as within the last 24 hours, last week, last month, or even last year. This is especially helpful if you're reviewing recent activity. You can also filter cards by board. For example, if you only want results from specific boards like remote team, YouTube planning, or SEO content creation, you can narrow it down. There's also an option to search for a specific board by name. Another useful feature is the ability to include or exclude closed boards and archived cards. If you don't want old or archived content cluttering your results, you can choose not to show closed boards and archived cards. On the other hand, if you need to dig something up from the past, you can include them. You can even filter results to only include starred boards. So if you've starred your most important boards, this makes searching inside them much faster. There's also an option to include card descriptions in your search. When enabled, Trello won't just search card titles, but also the detailed text inside each card. This is extremely powerful when you store notes, meeting agendas, or instructions inside descriptions. At any time, you can clear all filters to reset your search settings and start fresh. Once you've set your filters the way you want, simply run the search and review the results. When you see the card or board you're looking for, just click on the result. Trello will immediately open the corresponding board and take you directly to that card. This makes navigation extremely fast, especially in large workspaces. So to quickly recap, use the search bar at the top for fast searches, and use advanced search when you need filtering, sorting, or more precise control. This combination makes it easy to stay organized and find anything in seconds. And that's how to search in Trello. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Trello and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.